Ever sit down at your computer and find yourself staring at the screen, unsure where to even begin? If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. By using sticky notes, you can reduce the friction of getting started. You've probably used sticky notes in the office or seen others do it, writing down daily tasks and sticking them on the computer screen for easy access. It's a simple but effective way to stay on top of things. TickTick's desktop sticky notes can do the same job, keeping your task front and center. To open a sticky note, just right-click on any task and select Open as Sticky Note. This turns the task into a sticky note that you can move anywhere on your desktop. When you hover over the note, you can click the little shirt icon to change its color. You can also pin the note on top so other windows won't hide it. This lets you quickly add more info in the detail area whenever you need to. We all get bombarded with information throughout the day. It's easy to forget things, especially when multitasking. That's where sticky notes shine. They help you quickly jot down ideas or details without losing track. Click the bottom left of the note to set a date or time, hit More at the bottom right, and you can complete the task, start focus mode, and more. You can even double-click the top of the note to collapse or expand the detail area. Now imagine your daily workflow. Before you finish work for the day, review your progress and create a task list for tomorrow. Then open your Tomorrow list, hold down Shift or Command to select multiple tasks, right-click, and choose Open as Sticky Note. You've got your to-dos for the next day right on your desktop. If too many sticky notes make your desktop look cluttered, no problem. Use keyboard shortcuts to collapse all notes at once. You can also use shortcuts to quickly organize them. For example, quickly move to the right, quickly move to the left. The next morning, you'll open your computer and see exactly what needs to be done, making it easier to dive into your work. Trust me, when you finish a task and tear off that sticky note, it feels great. With 10 different colors available for sticky notes, you can use colors to boost your efficiency, not just for aesthetics. For example, you can set urgent tasks to red, important but less urgent tasks to yellow, urgent but less important tasks to blue, and non-urgent, non-important ones to gray. Of course, this is just a suggestion. You can customize the colors any way you like. You could also color code by project: purple for project A, green for project B, pink for project C, and so on. This way you can instantly see what needs attention the moment you open your desktop. It saves you from spending too much time deciding where to start. When it comes to organizing the notes, you've got options. You can arrange them using the Eisenhower matrix with 4 priority levels. Or if you prefer Kanban, you can organize them into to-do, doing, and done columns. These small changes can make your workflow smoother if you enjoy the setup. Lastly, when you get a new task suddenly, just use a keyboard shortcut to quickly create a new sticky note. You can then add the details right there. The beauty of this is that you don't need to leave your current screen. You can jot down the new task quickly, and when you're done, just close the note. The new note will be saved as a task in your default list. For me, that's the inbox, so I'll find the task there. After finishing your current work, you can go back, organize, and schedule the new task with ease. That's it for today. Creating a more efficient desktop isn't complicated. Just a few simple steps can make your workflow a lot smoother. Give it a try. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.